Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. Today, we're gonna be making
Watery, and yet there's a smack of ham to it.
It's hot ham water.
If you've seen Arrested Development, one of my favorite lines from Portia is hot ham water. So today, I am going to be making hot ham water. Not really though. We're gonna be making a Brodo using some leftover chicken stock, some Parmesan rinds, and some pieces of Jamon skin, fat, and a little bit of meat. This is a perfect base to use for pastas and soups. Let's get started. So going into the pot cold, we've got one white onion cut in 8 pieces, then a bunch of Jamon and some Parmesan. This is all leftover from different events in my restaurant. Now I'm gonna cover this with my spiced chicken stock that I've made before. Link in the description if you wanna get that recipe. Now we're gonna cover this with water up to about an inch above everything. Now usually when I'm gonna make a stock, I'm gonna load it up with bay leaves and peppercorns, maybe some coriander. But this time I'm not putting any spices into it because one, I'm using my spiced chicken stock. And two, I want this to be a very, not neutral flavor, but I want it to be just the ham and Parmesan flavor. I don't want it to be muddled with anything else. I want this to be the perfect base for some pasta or some rice. Our Brodo's been cooking for a little over 3 hours at a nice simmer. It's incredibly flavorful broth. As you can see, all of the Parmesan has pretty much disintegrated. It's falling apart. Our Jamon pieces are just completely shredding, which is beautiful. And as you can see, compared to like a French style stock or broth, this has much more body. It's cloudy, it's not perfectly clear, but all of that is flavor, and the fat that's in this right now is incredible. You literally have Parmesan fat and Jamon fat. Now all we have to do is strain this and bottle it. My preferred way to hold stocks and broths is right here, wide mouth ball jars. Our finished product is this beautiful umami bomb of Parmesan, Jamon, chicken, some sweetness from the onion. This is a perfect base for pastas or cook your rice in it. If you want to check out some of my other sauce work, click right there. Or if you want to check out some of my cocktails, click up there. Till next time, I'm Ron, the Cook.